Welcome to the English podcast for everyone.
Today we are talking about a very useful topic, how to rent an apartment in English.
Yes, this is very helpful if you want to live, study, or work in an English-speaking country.
We will teach you the most common phrases and questions you need when looking for a place to live.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, English Podcast for Everyone.
Let's begin with searching for an apartment.
You can start by saying, I am looking for an apartment to rent.
Or you might say, do you have any apartments available?
You can also ask, what is the rent per month?
The word rent means the money you pay every month to live there.
Now, let's talk about apartment types.
You might hear terms like studio, one bedroom, or two bedroom.
A studio apartment has one open room, no separate bedroom.
A one-bedroom apartment has a living room and a separate bedroom.
You can ask, is this a one-bedroom apartment?
Or, does the apartment come furnished?
Furnished means it includes furniture like a bed, sofa, and table.
Now, let's talk about making an appointment to visit the apartment.
You can say, I would like to schedule a viewing.
Or, can I see the apartment this Saturday?
The person may reply, yes, the apartment is available for viewing at 10 a.m.
If you like the place, you can say, I am interested in renting this apartment.
Let's talk about questions to ask during the visit.
You can ask, are utilities included?
Utilities are things like electricity, water, and internet.
You can also ask, is there a deposit?
A deposit is money you pay in advance. It is usually returned if nothing is damaged.
Ask, is there a minimum lease?
Lease means the rental agreement or contract.
Some places ask for a 6-month or 12-month lease.
Let's go through a sample dialogue.
Hello, I saw your apartment ad online.
Yes, the one bedroom on Pine Street is still available.
Great. Is it furnished?
Yes, it comes with a bed, table, and a small sofa.
How much is the rent per month?
It's $200 and includes water and internet.
Are other utilities included?
Electricity is separate.
Can I schedule a viewing?
Sure. Are you free tomorrow at 11 a.m.?
Yes, that works for me.
See you then.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about signing the rental agreement.
You can say, I would like to sign the lease.
Or ask, what documents do I need to provide?
Most landlords will ask for ID, proof of income, and maybe references.
You might hear, please bring your ID and last 2 payslips.
You can also ask, when can I move in?
Or, can I move in on the 1st of next month?
Let's practice another conversation.
I would like to rent the apartment on Maple Avenue.
Wonderful. We just need a few documents from you.
What do I need?
Your ID, proof of income, and a completed application form.
Okay, when can I move in?
The apartment is ready, starting next Monday.
Perfect. I will bring the documents tomorrow.
Great. See you then.
Let's now go over helpful phrases.
Is the apartment still available?
How much is the security deposit?
Is there parking?
Are pets allowed?
When is the rent due each month?
These are all important when you are renting.
Now let's talk about problems in the apartment.
You can say there is a leak in the bathroom.
Or the heater is not working.
You can also say the stove is broken. Can someone fix it?
It's okay to call or message the landlord about problems.
Say, I need help with a repair. Can you send someone?
Let's do one more dialogue.
Hello, this is Mike from apartment 302.
Hi, Mike. How can I help?
The bathroom sink is leaking.
I will send a plumber tomorrow morning.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You are welcome.
Here are some extra tips.
Tip number 1. Always read the lease carefully.
Tip number 2. Ask questions before you sign.
Tip number 3. Take pictures of the apartment before moving in.
Tip number 4. Keep receipts of payments.
Tip number 5. Be polite and respectful with your landlord.
Now it's quiz time.
Question 1. What does furnished mean?
It means the apartment has furniture included.
Question 2. What is a lease?
A lease is the rental agreement you sign.
Question 3. What do you ask if you want to visit the apartment?
Can I schedule a viewing?
Question 4. What is a deposit?
A deposit is money paid in advance to protect against damage.
Great job!
If you want to live in a new place, now you have the words to do it.
Try practicing these phrases aloud.
And remember to use simple and polite English.
Subscribe to English Podcast for Everyone.
Leave a comment and tell us where you would like to live.
Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next